Hello, welcome to our tutorial about the Video tab. This functionality is designed for video monitoring. There are 3 tabs in the workspace, and each of them provides special features. Live Stream allows you to watch video from cameras online. Playback allows you to request and save video files for the past period, and the Files tab is designed to view them. The Video module is available for users whose accounts have the video monitoring service enabled. Further actions are possible for units when 3 conditions are met. They have billing enabled, which you can find out about at the link in the description. Access rights are granted for them, which you can also read about at the link in the description. And the cameras are configured in their properties. Let's take a look at the Video tab in Unit Properties. For most devices, available cameras will be displayed by default. If you don't need to use all cameras, click the Set Cameras button, check the boxes next to the cameras you need, and click OK. Specify camera names below for easy identification. In this way, you can indicate, for example, where the camera is located or where it is pointed, to the road, to the driver, or to the trailer with cargo. If you are not planning to save video files using notifications for all cameras, but only for some of them, then activate the automatic saving option next to the required cameras. Let's move on to the Live Stream tab. To quickly find a unit in the list, enter its name in the search box. To the left of the search box, there is an icon that allows you to sort units in alphabetical order. The icon to the right of the box indicates the number of cameras that are activated for each unit. Select the desired unit to start watching the live stream. The top panel on the left displays the name of the unit. On the right side, you will find 3 icons. The map allows you to display on the tab not only the live stream video from the unit, but also its location. To the right, there's a wrench icon for quick access to the Video tab in Unit Properties. Using the icon with 3 vertical dots, you can turn off or turn on the display of the cameras you need. The main part of the interface is divided into several windows that display the selected cameras and the map if it is enabled. You can watch video in full screen mode either for one camera or for all cameras at the same time. To play and stop the live stream, use the corresponding button on the bottom panel. Let's go to the Playback tab. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, this functionality allows you to view the videos for a past period. To do this, choose the Request and View Playback option, a unit, the required cameras, and a time period. Keep in mind that old videos can be deleted by the tracker itself, as it has a limited amount of memory. At the bottom of the screen, there is a timeline for rewinding a fragment of the video, as well as a button for playing and stopping the playback of the file. In addition, using this tab, you can save the video to files. This can be done in 2 ways. If you have already requested a video, then click the scissors icon in the lower right corner. Next, set the slider on the timeline to the moment of the event that interests you. In the work area, set the number of seconds to be saved before and after the selected moment. Please note that you can save up to 30 seconds before and 30 seconds after the selected event. Below, if necessary, specify the tag with which the saved file will be marked. If you have not yet requested playback, but you know the exact time of the event you are interested in, then select the Save Requested File action and specify the time and interval before and after the event. Another option for saving video files is using notifications. When creating a notification, choose the trigger type. It will coincide with the tag of the future file. and then select the Save a Video as a File option, in which you will also need to specify the duration in seconds for before and after the event. Video files saved by any of the methods go to the Files tab. Please note that this can take some time, so the files might not appear immediately in the list after being saved. Select the unit whose files you want to view. In the working area, you will see a list where the timestamp of the file as well as the video size are indicated. Today, 5 GB of memory is allocated for each unit on the server. If the storage is full, saving new videos will delete the oldest files. In order to not lose any video due to it being overwritten, you can mark the file as important using the star icon. The total size of important files for one unit cannot exceed 1 GB, which is included in the previously mentioned 5 GB allocated for a unit. To control the amount of saved files, refer to the indicators above the list. Here, you will see how much storage is already filled in total, as well as the amount of videos marked as important. Let's go back to the list. Use the search box to quickly find a file. Filtering will help make your search easier. Select the required criteria from the drop-down list. Date, for setting the time interval for which you want to display files. Notification type, for selecting the tag or notification type that was set when manually or automatically saving the file. Notification name, for specifying the name of the notification that saved the file. And also you can display only those files that were saved manually. To cancel filtering, click the X icon on the added criterion. To view a file, click it on the list. The panel that opens is similar to the one discussed earlier for live stream. You can manually delete files that you no longer need. To do this, click the icon to the left of the search box, select the files, and click the trash icon. If the file is already selected, it can be deleted by clicking the button in the upper right corner of the screen. In addition to the Files tab, saved files can also be viewed in other modules of the system. On the Tracks tab, before requesting data, you can enable the video marker. Then, on the built track, you can click this marker and a playback window of the recorded file will appear on the screen. You can build a report with a video table, which will display a list of saved files that are available for playback right in the report. The video column is also available in other tables, such as trips, geofences, eco-driving, etc. It will allow you to correlate different intervals about units and files related to these intervals. For example, when investigating what happened during a fuel theft. On the Messages tab, add a video column where you can also find a camera icon. It will be displayed if the timestamp of the message and the video file matches. This is especially useful when automatically saving files with notifications. Click the icon to play the video. Please note that the Video tab is also available in the Wialon mobile app. It allows you to watch live streams, request videos, and work with saved files. You can find the user manual at the link in the description. Thank you for your attention. To learn more about the platform, please watch other videos on the channel. Good luck.